Welcome back to my channel, my chulas. Hope your chulas are doing great. Today we have a new video, so stay tuned and keep watching. And remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Do so we can be more chulas on the channel and the channel can keep growing. Also turn on your notification bell, like and comment. At TJmaxx I found the BB Broad Spectrum Bobbi Brown SPF 35, and this one is $34.99. This is a BB cream from Bobbi Brown. And this is a nude finish tinted moisturize of Bobbi Brown. And this is on the tone Light Tint. And this one is $24.99 as well. They have a lot of them. And next I found the Smashbox liquid pigment, and this is the name. And this one is $7.99. Lipstick cream, and this is a set of 2, and these ones are $14.99. They got some more NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and these are $4.79. It's a trio. Over here I was looking for more new products, and here we have a lot of Stila lipsticks. $5.99. They got different shades to choose from. And on this section over here they have a lot of drugstore products, and for cheaper price. They got a lot to choose from. And oh my god, you chulas, I found the Tatcha Indigo Cream for $29.99. This retail at Sephora for $135. I was so happy. And over here is the Puma Black Sneakers. Oh my god, I love the sneakers all black for $34.99. They're so cute. Unfortunately, they didn't have my size. And here's the Fenty by Rihanna. Oh my god, these are so cute. Love the olive green. And these are $39.99. They're really gorgeous. These are all green, and the other ones are all black. Fenty by Rihanna, and these are Pumas as well. Here's some Coach sandals. They're really cute as well. And these ones are $49.99. Next I went to Burlington, and this is what I found. This is a makeup brush sponge, and this one is $4.99. This is a sponge cleaner, and it says it has goat milk. And this is a Pure Quick Pro lip palette, and this one is $6.99. It's eyeshadow palette and lipstick. And oh my god, my chulas, I found the Tarte C palette for $24.99. And I'm about to show you how it looks inside. It's so beautiful. It's like neutral colors. Beautiful palette. And they have it for $24.99. They have a lot of pure lipstick and eyeshadow palette. And over here, this one is teeth powder, whitening teeth powder. And this is a balm lipstick for $5.99. That's the color. Really affordable. And oh my god, they have a lot of Maybelline Gigi Hadid lipstick kit on color red and nude for $4.99, my chulas. A really good price. And over here we have Beauty Treats 12 glitter palette, and this one is $3.99. And over here we have another one, but on the brand BB. And this one is $3.99 as well. And over here I was looking for what else it's new. And I found the Pure 4-piece glow on, and this one comes with a mascara, a primer, and a moisturizer, and also a bronzer for $10.99, my chulas. This is a deal. And this is a BH Nude Rose Night palette, and this one is $2.99, and I decided to open it to see if it was in good condition, and unfortunately it was in bad condition. And this is a City Color lipstick kit, and this one is $3.99. True Nude, and the other one was Rosy Nude. And then Tracy lipstick, and this one is $2.99. They got a lot of makeup to choose from, chulas. This is Nicole eyeshadow palette, and this is the NYX Air palette and Wind palette. And these are the colors for $14.99. And this is the Air palette for $14.99. Beautiful colors. Next, I found another Pure kit, and this one is mascara, a primer, a correcting primer, and detoxing mood mask, and also a mattifying powder for $10.99. And over here they have the Pure Quick Pro palette, and this one is the contour palette, I believe so. And then Tracy highlight palette, Laura Mercier, and this one is, let me see, $14.99. They got a lot of them. Thanks for watching, my chulas, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Do so we can be more chulas in this channel. This channel can keep growing. Subscribe, like, and share, and stay tuned for my next video.